Thank you for joining me today. I am here to give you a tour of our D floor plan, number 317. This floor plan offers 1 bedroom, 1 bathroom. I love this floor plan. It offers an abundance of natural lighting. Your entryway has coat hooks there. There's room for an entry table. You've got a coat closet or shoe closet when you enter with adjustable shelving and additional racks there. Tons of storage in that closet. I love the amazing views. It is a rainy day today, but the views are absolutely gorgeous. You have views of historical homes, our lovely Brenton sign, windows that go all the way down. You have your bathroom to the right, offering a full-size stackable washer and dryer. You have your tub and shower combo. The vanity does open up into a medicine cabinet for extra space. Nice, newer, modern cabinetry. Amazing treetop views. Just off of the hallway, you have your bedroom here, offering energy efficient heating and cooling systems. There's pocket style doors off of the bedrooms. The bedrooms are carpeted. The bedroom in this floor plan has a great big closet. Span of 3 doors here. 2 shelving racks. Each home comes with its own modem. So you are internet ready when you move in. You just pick your package and your internet will be up and running. Love this corner unit. These windows just keep going and going and going. Tons of natural lighting throughout. You have another heating and cooling system that's energy efficient. You've got a fully equipped appliance package. The appliance package includes your refrigerator with built-in ice makers. All of your cabinets have adjustable shelving throughout. This unit in particular has the decorative backsplash. Not all of the units offer this. You do have a dishwasher, garbage disposal. You've got the spray nozzles that pull out, soap dispensers, above the range microwaves, electric stove tops and ovens, plenty of drawer space in your kitchen and cabinetry. So this is our D floor plan at the Brenton Lofts in Davenport, Iowa. Thank you for joining me today.